Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I greatly appreciate it. Today I have a, package on top here. A little Sephora haul, and this package here is from Laura Lee, Los Angeles. I did get some products from her. I don't have anything from her. I've never ordered from her. Oh, dropped in the box. Was on TikTok and she was doing a live, and I said, oh, okay, interesting. But I'm going to open my Sephora box first. I'm going to put that over there. Just picked up a few products here. I do have my phone. I don't know if I kept... I usually do take a screenshot or like, you know, a photo of what I ordered this way. I know what I have coming and all that good stuff. Oh, looks like I did. So there's probably two. Okay, so I do have screenshot. First item I ordered is right here in this big plastic bag. And this is from Color Wow. You can see, huge tube. This is 250 ml or 8.4 fluid ounces. And this is the Color Security Conditioner. In my FabFitFun, I got the shampoo, and they didn't have the conditioner. I didn't see the conditioner in their add-ons or anything, and I could have missed it, but so I decided to pick this up from Sephora so that I have when I get the shampoo, I have the conditioner. I am real big on using the same shampoo and conditioner. I don't always have to, but my preference is to. That was $24. This is not cheap, and the shampoo, I forget what the price of the shampoo was on, you know, through FabFitFun, but, so I figured not bad, and that's a lot of conditioner. I mean, I don't use a ton of conditioner anyway. The other product that I decided to try, and this is also from Color Wow, and this is called Money Mist. Luxe Light Leave-In Conditioner for glossy, expensive-looking hair. This is 1.7 ounce or 50 ml right there. This was $14. For a leave-in conditioner, that's a lot. But I wanted to do a whole lot from the same brand. I love the Color Wow Dream Coat. I do use that. Struggling still a little with, it's just been humid, so a lot of like flyaways. I do need a haircut, so that will cut away some of the flyaways. But I am excited to try this, and, you know, it is a spray. So I did get two things from Color Wow. And I think there's only one other item in here from Sephora, so then we can get rid of the box. A True and Tried brow pencil from me. I still love the One Size by Patrick Starr. But I love the Hourglass Arch. And this is Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. And this time I think I did get Warm Brunette right here. This was $20-some. This is, I'm trying to think, $29. It's very expensive, the Arch Brow. I have sample sizes. I do have a full size. It's almost out. And it's in, I'm trying to think if it's in, I don't know if that just might be brunette. So I got Warm Brunette. And this is what it looks like right here. So, you know, you have your spoolie on one end, and then this is, you know, one of the finer pencils. And lately, sometimes I don't mind my brows, like matching my hair and a little bit lighter, but lately I've been liking them a lot darker. So I wanted to get this again. That is my all-time favorite, but I still love my One Size by Patrick Starr. I have the, you know, the tint, the fiber tint. I have the pencils. I have a whole bunch of stuff from him. So they're the only three things I got from Sephora. I'm trying to think. I don't think I've ordered anything else from Sephora as of late. Now, TikTok, I do have my like little screenshot up. And this right here is from Laura Lee, Los Angeles. I'm sure you all have heard of Laura Lee. You know, she's out there, she's good friends with Maddie MUA, and, you know, she's all over, you know, social media. Well, there's a lot of stuff in this one. I honestly don't remember what I ordered, if I'm being real. So we'll get rid of that mailer. And then here I have, yeah, Lunar Beauty is Maddie MUA and Laura Lee. you know, some of her products. So if you're not sure who she is, there she is. Beautiful woman. I mean, I like her. She might not be for everybody, but I love her sense of humor. I love her vlogs and stuff like that with her and her husband. So here, oh, there's prices on here, so I don't have to worry about it. But I don't think I paid that, did I? Let me relook at my phone. That's Ice Cream Beauty. I don't think I paid. No, okay. So there's prices on here. I'm going to tell you. So first I have Full Fantasy Lanny lipstick. Let me see if I can find. I don't know what the difference is. I have a whole bunch. Look, I'm just going to pick them all up and show you. This is all lip products, by the way. And this was before I decided to do the declutter. I don't know if there's... That's a gloss. So it's an actual lipstick. I think it's the other one. That's a gloss. I'm trying to... Okay, so they're glosses. These are liquid lipsticks. This has to be it. Is that with Lunar Beauty? Yep, right here. Here's the package. So this is Lunar Beauty and Laura Lee. So this is Lanny, Lanny lip. It was listed, it's listed for $14. I paid $4. So this is the packaging. You press, right, wait, I think I have it upside down. You press and it on the top and it comes out the bottom. Whoa, out the bottom. Well, that was a almost oopsie. So this is the tube. This is the shade. And I will, oh, perfect. Right here. Oh, I love. Oh, love it. Like I said, I don't think I have lipsticks from Lunar Beauty either. I have a few products, but this is really pretty. Before I finish, this was like a freebie in the orders, and it's one of the Z palettes. It's one of her Z palettes. So right here, there's no mirror, which is fine. And this is magnetized, so you can put your own eyeshadows on there. You can buy singles. You have singles as long as they're magnetized. And sometimes palettes have a little hole in the back. You can pop them out and make your own favorite palette of all your favorite shades. You add blush and bronzer and highlighter right to it. And then that can be your travel palette. No mirror, which is fine. Free gift when you ordered. Didn't matter what you ordered, you still got it, which I think that was super sweet. Love that. So I only paid $4 for that lipstick. One perfect shade for me. I shouldn't have put lipstick on earlier, because then I could have put that on. Should I? Yeah, I'll wait. So the next is the Nudie Patootie Liquid Lip Bundle. And that's going to be these three. $24. I paid $10. So not bad. And the shades, are their shade names? Yes. So we have, this first one is Topless, Jaybird, and Nakey Nakey. I don't know where these people come up with their shade names, but I don't really care about the shade name as long as I like the shade. So let's see what this one is. Oh, look at the packaging. How pretty. That's like bougie. I love it. Laura Lee, Los Angeles. True Liquid Lip. Let's do some swatches. That's pretty. It's right next to it this way. I love. Nice. Oh, that packaging feels so nice. So that one was Topless, if you are interested in any of these. The next, oh my goodness, I am throwing everything. I don't know if I can reach that. We're going to have to try. Okay. This was, no, yeah. So that was Topless. This is Jaybird. Let's open this up. I mean, you couldn't beat it for the price, as far as I'm concerned. TikTok shop sometimes, not all the time. Like, creators that you like to follow on there. So this is a pretty shade. Let's see. They're all pretty much neutrals. That's a little darker, but still coming right there. A little darker shade. I'm excited. Like that one. So that once again was Jaybird. And then this one is Nakey Nakey. So this is going to be more, should be more of a neutral. Okay, come out. Come out. Yeah, so this is more of a neutral. I'm not sure about this one, but I'll still, could be great for like underneath topper to lighten something up. Oh, that's not bad. On the end. That's pretty. Oh, I like. Oh, this is a problem. So far that's 4. 4 in, 4 have to come out so far. And then the last set is the LL Laura Lee Los Angeles Lip Gloss Collection. Is listed for $30. I paid $11. So I paid $10 for these 3, $4 for the lipstick, and then I paid $11 for 3 of her glosses. Like I said, bargain. I'm not complaining. So here we have Rose Glimmer, Nude Blossom, and Sparkling Iris. So first one is Rose Glimmer. We'll swatch them. Unless I think I'm not going to wear them. Oh, look how pretty. See, you know, I love stuff. These are great toppers for a lipstick. We'll come across here. It's right here on my hand. It's just, you know, a nice glitter-y. Nice. Great topper. Oh, and these are, put it on and it's magnetized. Okay, I see you, Laura Lee. And this one is Nude Blossom. The next one. So far, so good. So this is going to be, I don't think this has any glitter in it. But neutral. I'm going to have to get a little bit more so you guys can maybe see it. But like, you put it on, turn it, and it automatically catches. So that one's right here. These are super light. And they, you know, depending on the shade of your lips. If you have very pink lips, it's going to, you know, darker lips. If, you know, everyone's lip color is slightly different. So things like this do sit differently on your lips. So I am excited to try them. Pretty though, nice and light. And then this is Sparkling Iris. I didn't really pay attention to what the shades were. Oh, look at another one. Another shimmery. These are great toppers. Great glosses. And, you know, like I said, that's exactly what they are. Just a real shimmery gloss. So they're right there, 3 in a row. Beautiful. But once again, you push it in. And it will find, look, it even finds its own way. I don't have to do anything once it gets, you see that? I love that. Great packaging. Love, love, love. So that's these 6 lip products, and then the free, you know, eyeshadow palette, Z palette, whatever you want to call it. And that is my haul. A little haul from Sephora, and then my products from Laura Lee, Los Angeles. I'm excited to try her lip products, but you can see them all right there. Beautiful. There's not one in the bunch that I wouldn't wear. And I love the glosses. On their own, on top of, because these are, they're drying down. The first one's pretty dry. Second one's working its way because one part were very thick. These glosses would be great on top of these, like mattes, on the liquid lip mattes. And that's all I have for you today. I greatly appreciate all you watching. I'm telling you, if you're on TikTok, you watch TikTok, you know, you can catch these. I'm trying to think. Laura Lee, like I think once a week, and I don't remember what day of the week. I thought it was in the beginning of the week. It could be Fridays. I honestly do not remember. Her and her husband are in their, I guess, their office, their shop, their warehouse, packaging orders, and that's usually when all these great sales happen, while she's in there. So, and sometimes, you know, she's pulling orders and she's packaging them, reading your name out if you'd like to get a shout out. I don't care about that kind of stuff. and, you know, includes a card. She'll sign your card if she's physically packaging. She has these, and she'll sign, you know, the card and drop it in, you know, your, you know, in your package. She has skincare, and she says, you know, quite a few things. So depending on how I like the product, I might look into some of the other ones. You never know. No more lipsticks. But she's got brushes, blush collection, cheek palette, eyeshadow palette. I wonder, they're probably the Lunar Beauty, maybe collabs or Lunar Beauty products from Manny NUA, which I'm not mad at, but so keep an eye out for TikTok Shop. That's where I got some of my products through Tati, Westbrook's live, and Laura Lee. And I don't really watch too many a few other beauty people on that for their lives. And usually I'm just like scrolling through to kill time or something like that. But thanks everyone. Have a wonderful day. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye for now.